This is part 3 of a 3-part video series addressing the peel out. If you haven't seen the first 2 videos yet, go watch those first. Links are in the description. Now, in any of the preempting techniques, you very likely won't always get your highest priority 2-footed landing, but that's okay because that's where there's a seamless transition between layer number 2, preempting, and layer number 3, Parkour Ukemi. So you got flung off and you couldn't get your feet under you, or if you did get your feet down, you have momentum pulling you into a fall. Let's now explore the most common falling techniques that you need to have prepared for peel outs. Let's start with peel outs from the forward swing. Your highest priority is to twist so that you can spot the ground and any potential obstacles while working towards a feet first landing if possible. What's nice is this is the same reaction as preempting your peel out, which creates a seamless continuum and simplicity in your reaction. As you're twisting to spot the ground, if you're successful in getting your feet down, you may still have momentum one of many directions, or a restricted fall zone. In this case, you apply your ability to roll 360 degrees, including the assisted dive roll variations. If you're not able to get your feet under you and you're falling towards your back, your next best option is to spread out the impact across as much surface area as possible on the meaty parts of your body with a break fall. In the very rare case that you make it up to falling towards your head, you do not want to use the break fall. Instead, you'll want to have some familiarity with this dive roll variation, which will be a much better option than suitcase or scorpion. If you're already familiar with rolling 360 degrees and assisted dive roll variations from our prior classes, go ahead and take 5 minutes of practice, letting go from a small swing and landing into various rolls. All right, now let's cover peel outs from the backswing. Again, your first priority is to try to quickly close the hips so that you can get your legs and hips under your chest for a good 2-footed landing. But if you don't get that perfect landing, you have your ability to roll 360 degrees, including assisted dive roll variations. If you can't get your feet underneath you and you're falling chest down, you're still looking to create more time and surface area in the fall by absorbing into a lateral roll, aka pencil roll, as opposed to just taking it straight to the wrists in front of the body. However, this won't be safe from greater heights and higher speeds. You can just simply twist into a break fall. Or if your peel out has already caused you to go into an orientation towards your back, break fall is your solution as well. Once again, if you're familiar with rolling 360 degrees and your assisted dive roll variations, go ahead and practice for 5 minutes, only using a small swing, letting go and landing into one of your roll variations. Keep in mind that if there are obstacles in your fall zone, it often changes all of these reactions, and there are many more Parkour Ukemi techniques as solutions that we'll explore in future classes. So for now, until you have these Ukemi reactions on lockdown, keep your fall zones open and clear while swinging. Now go back to your anchovy pace drill and slowly increase the height of your swing. However, don't increase your swing beyond your technique tool set. You should at least be able to roll 360 degrees along with your assisted dive roll. If you have your break fall down and your lateral roll, then you can increase your swing a little bit higher. And then lastly, if you have those head first falling variations, then you can start to max out your swing. We'll go over lateral roll and break fall and those other rolling variations in other EDU courses. Go ahead and practice that drill for a little bit and then move on to the next technique. If you know someone who can benefit from this information, tag their name and share the video. And lastly, have you had a gnarly peel out? How did it turn out? What did you learn from it? Let us know in the comments below. We hope this information benefits your training. Thanks for watching.